Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create engaging polls and quizzes in Instagram stories. Let's get started. First, open Instagram, then tap the plus sign and create a story. Upload a photo or video background to start. Then tap the sticker icon at the top. For a quick opinion, choose poll and type it in your questions with no options. Keep it fun and simple like coffee or tea or ask me any questions or any questions you like. For more interactions, use the quiz sticker, add a question with up to 4 answers, and highlight the correct one. Great for games, trivia, or testing your audience knowledge. Then, once posted, check your story insights to see who voted or answered. This helps you learn about your audience and even start new conversation in DMs. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.